None for Gretchen wieners.
So blooper somehow, and then I'm just gonna go into this viral burrata and tomato dip. It's a must.
Yeah, it looks great.
We're leveling it
Level
up.
it up. Okay.
No, wait. I want to tell everybody how to make it.
No, they're gonna watch it before we get here.
Let's cook.
No, what?
What? Let's cook.
Let's eat.
Yeah, I don't know.
This is the beginning. We're doing the beginning.
What is going on?
I thought we were going into the outro.
We're taking the viral tomato and burrata dip and zhuzhing it up to the next level, serving it over a second recipe that is a must take and make, my bread dipping oil.
Stay tuned. You're not gonna want to miss the first of those recipes or the second of the
I
recipes.
cannot wait to eat.
I can't wait.
Let's cook. I swear to you, people do not come over to my house without me serving this bread dipping oil.
I've heard a lot about this bread dipping oil.
It's so good. Extra virgin olive oil.
I can't wait to get into it.
Fill up that plate with the extra virgin olive oil, Andy, for me. Then I'm going to go in with some fresh grated garlic cloves. That is key. It has to be fresh. Do not use the garlic. Then can you season it up with the one and only Blackstone Tuscan Herb. This stuff is a must.
And we've got a couple other things we're adding to this, right? We've got red pepper flakes and parsley that we're throwing in here as well.
Yep, just for a little bit of an extra bite, but be careful with the red pepper because that fresh garlic does make it a little bit spicy because it has that flavor. Then I'll go over top with a little bit or a lot of Pecorino Romano cheese. As long as I'm not being judged, I like to go heavy on this. If it starts to get a little bit thick, just add a little bit more extra virgin olive oil. A little pinch of salt and black pepper. All right, now that we have it perfectly how I would do it for my family at home, what we would usually do, and this, again, I will say it, you cannot come to my house without having this at my house. I will rip up a whole loaf of bread, put it into a bowl, and just sit there and, you want to taste it too?
Yes.
Then you just dip, and everybody goes crazy for it. If there's any left over, everybody takes it home. You can put it over chicken, over pasta, over fish, but keep it in your fridge. Take it out 10 minutes before eating.
Pretty good.
It is so good, I'm telling you.
Wow.
Really hot.
I thought you put too much pepper in it.
I did not put
And very salty.
in it.
That was... That's
I'm
the camera guy's
joking,
fault.
I'm
Yeah. Okay, but
Okay.
we're gonna zhuzh it up here.
I was gonna say, I can't help but notice that we didn't cook anything.
We didn't.
Okay.
But
So what are we gonna do
I
now?
want my friends in Griddle Nation to have this recipe, but because this is a Blackstone, we're gonna zhuzh it up.
Okay.
I've got these beautiful San Marzano baby tomatoes. Have you ever seen these?
Not that small, no.
All right, we're gonna get them onto the griddle,
Okay.
and then I'll show you everything else.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Andy, drop me down a little bit of olive oil. I'll drop down our tomatoes. Let them blister up with just a little pinch of salt.
And are we taking these all the way, or are we just sort of charring the outside of these? Do we want these to burst? What are we looking for?
We want them to burst. We want them to blister on the outside. Cook them as long as you want to.
Perfect.
All right, Andy. They're just about done.
Are we ready for this?
Burrata,
All right.
my favorite.
Let's get into it.
If you don't know at home, it comes with 2 burrata balls inside, but it's in liquid. So can you do me a favor and just go take care of that water? Sure. We don't have a sink here.
Yeah, no worries. Fun fact, we talked about this off camera, and Betty thinks that she's going to get me to do a walk of shame, but I'm just going to come right here.
No, don't put it in the trash can.
And I'm just going to dump it out like that.
Well, he's taking the trash out. I'm not.
We all know that he was going to take the trash out anyway.
It's not even a walk of shame if it's involved with the cook.
That was lazy. That was
No,
pure
that was
lazy.
smart.
All right, these tomatoes are done. I'm ready. Let's go.
Am I bringing this to you? Alright.
Wait, you don't think I can make it there? You don't think I can make it there?
Okay, whatever.
Maybe I can't. All right, meet me halfway. Hot tomatoes into there. Hopefully I don't burn you. I don't know if I... 2 more. And this is ready. All we have to do is cut that off. Let's go back over here, Andy. I think we're going to zhuzh this up now to make it look nice and pretty. These tomatoes.
And then do we squish these, or do we leave them nice and full and robust?
I'm going to squish them now that you said it. No, I like them big.
Okay.
Maybe a little smushed. I don't
A
know.
little smushed.
You do it however you like. But we're going to grab this burrata ball. You want 1 or 2?
It's
One's good.
your
'Cause
recipe.
I might need 1 for tomorrow's recipe.
Okay. Just 1 it is.
All right, look. So we take the mozzarella ball. The burrata is a big mozzarella ball. We open it up, and it's got all of this stracciatella cheese. I probably am not saying
there's
that right.
no chance you said that right.
Stracciatella?
Stracciatella?
How do you say it?
I don't know.
Oh,
This is your
CJ,
recipe.
can you get me the pronunciation for the inside of the burrata ball?
Pronunciation or the pronunciation?
Oh.
It's a rich, velvety filling known as stracciatella.
Stracciatella.
So I was pretty much there. Italian Americans have all different ways of pronouncing things.
Incorrectly.
I'm not sharing this beautiful appetizer with you.
please do.
All right, let's go. We're gonna finish it with just a little drizzle of olive oil over the top.
Sheesh.
We're gonna do. Where'd my balsamic go? Where'd my balsamic? There it is.
right
Thank you, balsamic. You want to do it?
Sure.
But make it look pretty.
Okay.
Don't mess it up.
You want circles or zigzags?
Kind of as pretty as the last recipe I just did. Like,
So those are zigzags.
or go circle.
Hey,
Do it.
can you make like a little smiley face?
No, it better be a perfect circle all the way
Oh,
around.
it's not gonna be a perfect circle.
Can you do a star?
Oh my lord.
No, you messed it up.
You are the worst.
Get in the middle of the
I'm not
matzo.
done yet.
There we go. All right, the only thing left, I'm gonna just add to it, just because I have a beautiful plant right here of basil. Bada bing,
Bada bing.
boom. We've got an appetizer.
Let's do it.
It's time to eat. I'm going in for a scoop of the stracciatella
Bless you.
and
Stracciatella.
stracciatella
Stracciatella.
and one of those tomatoes. You gotta get a tomato, Andy. Cheers. Thank you for
right.
cooking with
Can I
me.
do this with my left hand?
I'm just helping myself in here too, sorry.
As you should.
Seeing as how I looked up stracciatella.
Yeah, what would we do without you?
I don't know. Nothing.
Is it not the most simple things that are the most delicious? Right?
So good.
Forget about it, right?
Forget
Forget about it. It's delicious. Must. I would put this over pasta.
Honestly, I really like this, but I like just the bread dipping.
Oh, well, you better start making that at every single get together, every time you hang out with your wife at home, your kids. Everybody loves it. Now you guys gotta try it. And when you do, I wanna see a picture. It's my favorite thing, right?
Yep, take it, make it, take a picture, tag Blackstone Betty, tag Blackstone Products. Yeah.
That's it.
Follow Blackstone Products on YouTube for tons of other recipes. Is there anything else?
No, just go make this
Please
bread
make
dipping
this.
oil.
Please make
It
this.
is
It's so good.
Bye.
Do it again.